So the final thing to do now, guys, is to reset the maintenance system. So first I'm gonna power up the car by pressing the power button twice without my foot on the brake. Then I'm gonna press this button to ensure the car is on trip A. And as you can see right there, it's on trip A. Then I'm gonna turn the car back off. So now I'm going to press the power button once to power up the car. Then I will press and hold the trip button. Then I'll press the power button a second time, and this will reset the maintenance system. So what you'll see right there are those lines going down. When it goes to 0, it is set. So right now the maintenance system is reset. So when I put my foot on the brake and power up the car, the maintenance light should be gone, and in this case it is gone. So the maintenance is complete with this car. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe.